Hi everybody, Katina Hunter here with Coldwell Banker, hanging out in the living room of the listing that I have at 419 Forest Avenue in Bellevue. We just did a $25,000 price reduction. I'm gonna say that this house is pretty spectacular, but don't take my word for it. Come on down this Sunday. We're having an open house from 1 to 3. Mike and I would love to give you a tour of this property. I mean, even just sitting here in the living room from this vantage point, I'm seeing huge oversized windows letting in plenty of natural light, stained glass windows, beautiful chandeliers, an expansive layout, finished basement, 2-car detached garage, flat backyard, and one of my most favorite features of this property is upstairs. And then upstairs again on the 3rd floor, it is probably the biggest master bedroom you'll ever see. But not only do you have the size, you have all of the amenities that you would ever need. Not 1, but 2 walk-in closets. You have a gorgeous full bath. So I hope that you're gonna be able to come on down this Sunday, give Mike and I a visit, and we'd love to give you a tour of this beautiful home. Of course, if there's ever anything you need, don't hesitate to reach out. And you know that my team and I are always here and happy to help. But we hope to see you this Sunday.